Hello everyone, today's date is 24 April 2022. This is an original video. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. I am Diksha, I am a fresher. Today's topic name is difference between final, finally and finalize. First one is the final and finally and finalize are keyword in a Java that are used in exception in handling. And each of these keyword has a different functionality. The basis difference between final, finally, and finalize, and that the final is an access of modifier. Finally is the block in exception handling, and finalize is the method of object class. And then along with this, there are many difference between final, finally, and finalize. A list of difference in final and finally keyword. First one is explaining final. Final is the keyword and access modifier which is the used to apply restriction on class method of or variables. And finally means is the block in a Java exception handling to the execute the important code whether the exception occurs or not. And finalize is the method in a Java which is to the perform a cleanup or processing just before the object is garbage collected. And then next one is the final. Applicable to final keyword is used to with the classes, method and variable. And then finally block is always related to the try and catch blocking exception handling. And then next one is the finalize. Finalize method is used to with the object. And third one is the functionality in a final. First one is once declared the final variable becomes constant and cannot be modified, and final method is cannot be override by subclass. And then finally is blocked when the important code even exception occurs or not. And then finally block cleanup of all resources in the try. And then next one is a finalize. Finalize method perform the cleaning activity with respect to the object before its destruction. And then next difference is execution. First one is a final. Final method is execute only when we call it. And then finally block is executed as soon as the try catch block is executed, and finalize method is executed just before the object is destroyed. And then finally it is used execution is now depend on the exception. And then for finalize method is executed just before the object is destroyed. And then next one is the Java finally. Let us see the below example where the Java code throw an exception and then catch block handle the exception. Later the finally block is executed after the try catch block. Further rest code also executed to the normally. And the final keyword can be used along with the variable, method and class in Java. And if you make a variable final, you cannot change it is a value, it will act like a constant. And then finally used to exception handling along with the try and catch. As per Java programming language rules for the execution handling, you add list need either catch or finally block. And then finally block has special advantages over the catch, that is graduated to be executed deposit whether the exception in through or not. And finalize as a method before in an object it is a garbage collected. The runtime system call is a finalize method. You can write the system resource release code in a finalize method before the getting garbage collected. And then finalize final keyword are declared in access modifier to restricted to the method variable in Java. And finalize method are get clean up to the process doing garbage to the collected. Thank you.